Have you ever wondered how to cut an angle exactly in half using just a ruler and a compass? Let us see how. Constructing an angle bisector. Bisecting means splitting into two equal parts. So let's say if we bisect an angle of 90 degrees, we get two angles of 45 degree each. So let's say we have this angle POQ and we need to bisect it. So first of all, we'll mark points A and B on the arms of POQ such that OA is equal to OB. For that, we keep the compass needle at O, open it to any length and make one arc on OP. Let's call this point as A. Then using the same radius, we'll keep the compass at O and make another arc on OQ and call it point B. Then with equal radius, we'll draw arcs from A and B. So once again, we'll keep the compass at A. Now we can open it to any radius, any length once again and make one arc. Then keeping the same radius, we keep it at B and make another arc. And let them intersect at point C. Then we'll join OC. So OC bisects POQ, which means that angle POC is equal to angle COQ. But how can we be assured without measuring it? How can we be sure that this indeed divides the angle POQ into two equal parts? So let us see. Let us join AC and BC. Now in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, OA is equal to OB because we kept the compass at O and made two arcs of equal length on OP and OQ. So OA is equal to OB. Then AC is equal to BC. Once again, because we drew these two arcs of equal lengths, right? And lastly, OC is common. So in these two triangles, we have three lengths, all three lengths, which are equal, right? So triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC by SSS congruency. And by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, angle AOC is equal to angle BOC. So we can say that OC bisects angle POQ. Let us now construct 45 degree angle. So we saw how to bisect an angle. So we can just draw an angle of 90 degrees and then bisect it to get 45 degree angle. So we have this line segment AB and now we are going to draw an angle of 90 degrees on A. We keep the compass here and draw a semicircle. Then with this point as the center, we'll open the compass to any length, draw one arc. This becomes the angle of 60 degrees. Then we'll keep the compass here and with the same radius, draw another arc. And this becomes 120 degrees. Now once again, we'll keep the compass here and make one arc with any radius. And using this same radius, we'll keep the compass here and make another arc intersecting this arc. Now we will join this intersection point and A. And this makes an angle of 90 degrees. So this is 60. This point, this is 90 degrees. This is 120 degrees. Okay. Now we need to bisect this angle. So we know that in order to bisect, we need to have two arcs on the two arms, which we already do. Let's call these 2 points X and Y. Now we just need to make two arcs from X and Y of same radius. So we'll keep the compass at X, make one arc. We'll keep the compass at Y, make another arc with same radius and join these two. So AZ is the bisector of BAY. And thus we get an angle of 45 degrees. BAZ is 45 degrees and ZAY is also 45 degrees.